Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I think a couple of years ago, y'all, I did a video on a company that kind of reached out to me. It was a couple of years ago. I haven't been doing enough videos for this company. Hold on, y'all. But they send me 2 of these a month. I give a lot of them away, y'all. The Formula L biscuit mix. And I told y'all, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'm telling you, it's been over a year. This is the best biscuit mix on the market. Y'all know I'm all about making stuff from scratch, making stuff from, I'm not into, this is the best. If you want to make biscuit mix from scratch, this is the best. Formula L complete biscuit mix. All you need is buttermilk, and that's it. You just add buttermilk to this thing. It's got little, which I'm gonna explain to you later in the video. It has a little hydrated butter in it that you fold it. It's the most fluffiest biscuit you can get. Now this I get mailed to me. I get two every 6 weeks they send me. But you can buy them, I've seen at Kroger's and Walmart. All you do is go to formulabiscuitmix.com or whatever, put in your zip code, and it'll tell you what area in your town or city or whatever, what store has it. And I think it's kind of pricey, but I think in the store maybe it's $4 something, maybe $5 something or whatever. And this is what is it, a 3 pound 4 ounce bag. And yeah. So just kind of, I mean, Amazon, I don't know how much it is Amazon. You don't get everything on Amazon, but yeah. So I'm gonna make some up for y'all and show y'all how awesome these biscuits is, how good they are. And cause like I said, I need to do more videos on this stuff before they stop sending it to me. Just go in the back of the recipe. The recipe right there. I made these so many times. I'm not gonna really measure this out. I've been making biscuits for years. I'm gonna just kind of fill it. You can make pancakes with this. You got cobbler on the side of this. So yeah, we're gonna make a few up, maybe 8 or 9 of them. Throw it in there, a little biscuit dough in there. Like I say, it's just 2 ingredients, y'all. And y'all know I use my whole buttermilk. I buy whole buttermilk when I use buttermilk, y'all. And I'm gonna just kind of, like I say, I'm not gonna measure this. I know the feel. If you've been making biscuits long enough, you know already kind of the feel of it. This buttermilk in there. Ain't nothing like some good old buttermilk biscuits for breakfast, right? A little bit more in there. I guess I'll pour it all in there. I put too much, Jeffrey. I put too much, Chef Jeffrey. I think I did. I think I might put too much, y'all. Got too happy with it, y'all. Add a little bit more of that in there. But like I say, y'all, according to this, you can make, I haven't made the cobbler with it or the pancakes. If y'all want to see how it makes pancakes, let me know. I'll definitely make some pancake mix out of it. Okay. All right, y'all. Move this to the side here. And gonna put some flour on the board here, y'all. And this is like any other biscuit mix, y'all. You don't wanna over mix it. Move this buttermilk out the way. Oh y'all, let me get my rolling pin here. Rolling pin here, y'all. And we're gonna roll these bad boys out. Let me get my spoon here and put some flour on the board. Flour on the board there. I mean, just doing like any other biscuit. Roll this out. And you can see, I don't know if y'all can see this, the butter in these, it's coated in these biscuits, y'all. Got a little butter, hydrated butter in here. dehydrated, hydrated, however you say it. Y'all know me, I hate getting my hands sticky. That's part of being a baker, huh? Oh, let me roll this flour out a little bit more evenly. And you don't want to roll it out too. Hold on, y'all. Let me clean my hands here. Usually I wear gloves when I do this, 'cause I don't like that flour on my hands. Okay, we're gonna roll this out just a little. There we go. I like mine about an inch thick. You can roll them as thick or thin as you want, y'all. Thick and as thin as you want. Okay, get my biscuit cutter here. We're gonna do some big biscuits, y'all. We're doing some big boys. We're gonna do some big boys here. Okay. These bad boys in here like this. Now I like to put my biscuits close together. Some people like theirs, like that crunchy edge. I prefer to have mine close together. It's right here so y'all can see it. So you do what you do you. Like I say, you do you. Whatever fits your fancy. Okay, get one more in here, y'all. Let me get one more. I actually get more, but I got room for one more. Roll this up in here. Alrighty. One more right here. I'll fry them other ones. Okay, now let me show you a little trick. If you ain't been watching me long enough, a little trick my mama used to do. I don't know why she did it, but she used to do it all the time. Let me move this over. Trying to scrape this over here, y'all, out the way. She used to get the little grease can sitting on top of the stove, and I keep on top of my stove too. And she used to dot it, grease right on top, just like that. You don't have to do this, y'all. It's something my mama used to do. The old chicken grease on top of them biscuits. Chicken grease right on top of them biscuits, y'all. And we're gonna put these in the oven. I do mine 350. Some people do 375. Some people do 400. I don't cook nothing over 350 majority of the time. So 350, about 15-20 minutes. I would have said, let's see what it says on the bag. It say bake 10 to 12 minutes at 450. I'm not gonna bake no biscuits at 450. I'm not gonna do that. If you feel comfortable doing that, you can, but I do 350. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back once they get ready. All right, y'all, we are back. Biscuits are out of the oven. And let me show y'all what I like to do when the biscuits come out of the oven. Like brush some butter on there. Some good melted butter on there, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I'm telling y'all, these are the best. If you got to make biscuits on the fly, on the weekend, pour that butter on there. Ain't gonna hurt it, is it? This is the easiest biscuits and two ingredients. 2 ingredient biscuits, y'all. Nice and fluffy and absolutely amazing. Good with gravy on them, good with syrup on them, good with some jelly, good with some butter, however you want to serve them. Good with some fried chicken. I'm telling y'all, this is the biscuit to go for. So anyway, I'm gonna let them set up here a little, and I'm gonna plate them up, do my world famous YouTube thumbnail. We're gonna see how they are. I gotta prove it to y'all. Old school biscuits using Formula L 2-ingredient biscuit mix. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be nice here. I'm gonna just put a little bit of butter on here, on these biscuits. Look at this, y'all. Look at them nice fluffy biscuits. And you can't, I'm telling y'all, to be a box, or can, or however you say it, mix, you can see how, look at that. Look how fluffy these biscuits is. I'm gonna go in here, pull them apart here. You can see how fluffy they are. Look at that. This is a biscuit mix, y'all. I'm telling you. They're the best on the market. Like I say, that's why I really agreed to this a couple of years ago. Look at that now. Going in. A bit more butter on him. Absolutely the best on the market. I'm lucky I don't have no grape jelly with this right now. I'm being nice. You can just tell how fluffy they are. Look how fluffy. Let me shake it. One more bite here. Can't go wrong, y'all. I tell you, check your supermarket in your area. I usually go southern, I know they got a website, formulaLbiscuitMix.com, and just Google Formula L Biscuit Mix. And they'll ask you to put in your zip code, the area you live, and it'll pop up if a store or whatever in your area has it and who has it. And then you go to that store website and it'll tell you exactly what aisle it's on and how many they got in the store. It's gotten that modernized, y'all. Like HEB, if I'm looking for something for HEB, I don't know if they have it. I go to HEB in my area, go to their website, search what I'm looking for. It'll tell me the aisle, the location, and how many they got in stock at that moment. I'm telling y'all, it's so modernized now, stores. So, anyway, y'all, try this out. Like I said, I get 2 a month, and I give a lot. I do. I give some away. Don't tell nobody. I do. If you ever see me, and if you know me or whatever, you want a bag of these, I'll bring it to your house. I sure will. Because I don't eat that many biscuits in 1 month. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.